lost my voice. But that's okay, because we don't really need our voice to open this box. Look what we got. We got Google Stadia, guys. I'm hyped. This thing's been out for pre-order. I got the Founders Edition, as you can see. Beautiful Founders Edition. On the back it says, "One place for all the ways we can play." Or well, we play. There's no can there. So we're gonna open this baby up, cause I want this to be open. That should be good. Close my phone out here. Ooh. Here we go. Get out of here. Box. I mean, it feels kind of heavy. It's like a good weight. I'm not sure how much it weighs. I wonder if the box says so. It doesn't say it. But it comes with the Founders Edition, a Google Stadia controller, and a Chromecast Ultra. That way we can play it on the TV. Now, let's open it. I'm not going to look at it. I'm going to show it to you guys first. Ah, look at it. It's so cool. Wow. I love it. This is the special edition controller, the Night Blue, I believe it was called, or something like that. Oh, it feels so like smooth. It's like really smooth. I love it so much. It feels light. There's a button on the back. And it just shows the model. I thought it was a button. There's the back of it. And the nice G. Headphone adapter. I believe that that's the microphone as well. And it is charged by USB-C. So you've got the two triggers. There. And there. And then we've got the Stadia on the front. Come on. Focus up. Focus up, camera. There we go. Okay, so we've got the menu button, full screen button, or capture screen button, the Google Assistant, and then whatever that button does, I forget. Our wonderful Stadia button, and then the colors on the inside of the joysticks. I love it. Now, ooh, it's perfect. Nice clicks. Listen to that. And then like the triggers. And the bumpers. And then all of the buttons have nice sounds. Alright. Now, underneath the box, on the inside here, we've got plugins. Oh, it's gonna yell at you guys. So we've got the USB-C and USB plugins there to charge a controller, along with this is incredibly difficult. Hello, camera? Thank you. I cannot get this out. I don't want to break it and I can't get it out. Oh, there we go. I just had to pull back the top part. Nice wall plug coming with it. Now it's got an arrow up here to pull everything out, which I'm guessing that all of the books and everything are in here. Something in here. So let's open that, and books all come out the bottom here. Oh, it's like a mail. It's got the Stadia sign on it. And then on the back of it, it says Stadia. It's barely there. You can barely see it. And this opens up to the inside. It shows this paper. It's got the Stadia symbol on it. It says, "The promise of creating one place for all the ways we play is a long-held dream. Today, we're proud to see that dream becoming a reality. A community of players is the core of Stadia. Thank you for being the first to gather around." That's right, because I got the Founders Edition. Luckily enough, I got the Founders Edition this time. I was able to get it. Alright, I'm going to put that back in our little folder here. I'm going to keep everything where they go, just for organization purposes. Then we've got Stadia controller book. Tells me how to set up the controller with my phone and everything. Okay, nice little how-to. We will put that aside because we need that for later. Ooh, we got stickers. We got stickers for Google Stadia. I can put that on my computer. That's nice. Look, super clean. I like the paintbrush fade. How it goes like that. I like it. That's probably like one of my favorite things is the logo and the little logo flare. Whenever it shows up and it says Stadia, it's like this big old color burst. And if I can find it somewhere in like a GIF, I will put it up. Oh my goodness, my hair. I will put this back in the box. Now, this can just go there till I get everything back in the box. Now we've got the Chromecast Ultra in the box. Okay. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's the Ethernet plug-in. That's cool. Okay, and that's to plug in the Chromecast, I believe. There it is. Beautiful Chromecast Ultra from Google. It's magnetized, so it sticks to the end, sticks to the back. It's got a nice magnet strip. HDMI plug-in for the TVs, and ever so slightly, it just sticks back in. The Chromecast Ultra's got like a little G on the middle of it. You can't really, I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can. It's right there. Not too bad. All right. Is there anything below the boxes? I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything out of the box. I like it. All right, let's stickers can go over here. The Google controller papers can go over there. I'm gonna close the envelope if I can. There we go. Envelope is closed. Envelope is back in the box. I put the envelope back in the box backwards. Okay. This box design is so nice. And then it closes back up. Oh yeah, I'll put it back over here. So we will definitely be making some videos with the Stadia kit pretty soon. So look forward to that. I have Destiny 2 on there. So we'll be playing that on there to see how smooth everything runs, and maybe play with some friends that we made while waiting for Stadia to come here. Because we had met some friends who also have Google Stadia, who also got the Founders Edition, and maybe we will play with them some later. But I'd like to start on that soon. So be sure to subscribe and like the video if you have Google Stadia, or if you are planning on getting Google Stadia, because this is where it's all heading, everybody. This is next level stuff, and this is where it's all gonna go. But for now, I'm gonna go charge my controller, and we'll play some games later. So thank you for watching. Do all of the normal stuff every YouTuber will tell you to do. And I will take my voice and go get some water. I forgot I had this. I was distracted. But thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.